I spent years studying the Santa Fe 5000, eventually writing the book on her history and serving as a consultant when we moved her through downtown Amarillo. But history isn't just found in books, and today, many of those foundational texts and the legends who wrote them are gone. I'm the last one left from that circle of research. My mission now is to take those 30 years of restoration and history and turn them into a living, breathing archive. On this channel, we don't just play with trains. We use professional commercial building techniques and primary source data to recreate the Santa Fe's Raton Subdivision. Whether it's technical deep dives into motive power or the physics of pulling 25,000 tons over a 3.5% grade, everything here is backed by the truth of the prototype. Welcome to the digital successor of the Santa Fe archives. I'm glad you're here to help me keep this history on the rails. Subscribe and let's bring the Santa Fe Trail to life, one scale mile at a time.